So, you're thinking of selling your house? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive headfirst into the mythical unicorn that is the best week to list your home. Yes, you heard it right. Apparently, the second week of April is when all the planets align and every buyer in the universe suddenly gets a burning desire to purchase a home. Forget about the other 51 weeks. This is the golden window, folks, because, you know, the laws of supply and demand totally revolve around a 7-day period. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate Hannah Jones, the real estate Nostradamus. Ah, Hannah Jones, with her uncanny ability to know the perfect week to sell your house. She's a wizard, a sorcerer of the housing market, predicting the future with all the precision of a dart-throwing octopus. Higher demand, lower competition. It's like she's reading the real estate stars. Trust her, folks, because nothing says reliable like tying your financial future to the prophecies of someone who's probably using a magic 8-ball. It's like she's reading the real estate stars. Imagine this. You, teetering on the edge of your sanity, juggling the perfect listing date with your never-ending home repairs. You're like a circus performer, balancing on a high wire of uncertainty while throwing flaming chainsaws of renovation deadlines into the air. All the while, you're pedaling a unicycle of market trends uphill, both ways, in the snow. And don't forget the blindfold, because who really knows what's going to happen in this mad market? Exhilarating, right? But don't you worry if you miss the best week to list your house, because in the whimsical world of real estate, it's always spring. The market is perpetually booming, buyers are incessantly ravenous, and you, dear friend, are eternally at the helm of this berserk roller coaster ride known as selling your house. So strap in and prepare for the thrill of a lifetime. And remember, laughter is the best medicine, especially when you're crying over the state of your bank account. Happy selling.